Lady, Vermont. All set, ready to race. Race number 13. Away they go. Vermont pass to begin, followed by Magical Halo. Tarlac moving up by the is running at the tail of the field. Back to the front runner. Vermont by about 2 lengths, followed by Magical Halo in second. Sincerely Devil by the alongside Starlock. In between runners, rushing up a Small Town Lady, and inside the last 650, Vermont by a length and a half, Magical Halo. A Small Town Lady is now running in third. Tarlac, Sincerely Devil, Emergency Call, and Hakuna Matata is still running at the back of the pack as they swing for home towards the long Nike stretch run with Vermont the leader, followed by Magical Halo. A Small Town Lady on the outside, Sincerely Devil. Last 150, Vermont by about 3 lengths, followed by Magical Halo. And nearing the finish line, it's a scintillating run coming from Vermont. Sincerely Devil, Magical Halo, Small Town Lady, Emergency Call, Tarlac.